Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the analog horror atmosphere and we will apply to it using the CapCut. So without any further ado and let's get into the tutorial. Well, guys, the first step you can open or install this CapCut, and don't worry because this app is pretty sure really accessible within your PC, smartphone, or even the tab. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email to try a lot of tools that has been provided by this CapCut over here. And the next step, I will start to click this new video and I will go to the library, and for example I will choose you can choose the picture of your own or maybe the video or the scene. For example, I will choose this one and click add, and the next step is I will start to remove this ending and I will start to select this picture or this scene and I will start to do the adjustment over here. So the first thing that I will adjust over here is about the brightness. Here I will start to reduce the brightness, let's say to become -11. And after that, for the contrast, you can play with this. For example, I will start to adjust it to become 33 like this. And after that, for the saturation, I will totally reduce it to become -50. And for the brilliance, you can start to adjust it to become 8. And for the shadows, this one, I will adjust it to become -12. And after that, for the blacks, this is the game changer, let's say to have or create the horror, let's say from the dark web. So you can start to play with this, and for example I will reduce it to become, let's say, -40 like this. And after that I will go to the effect. Here I will choose the effect, and the first one will be the sharpen. For example, I will choose this sharpen H. And after that I will add the another one, would be the blur. And apply to as same as the duration of this clip or this scene. And the next thing I will add is the effect of the glitch. And you can try which one you prefer. You can choose this somber, for example, or this glitch as usual. And I think I will choose this one, static morph. Cancel. And I will click this again, click this picture, and I will again do the adjustment. And let's say I will start to reduce the brightness, let's say to become this -16. And this will be the result, guys. So you can try these tips and tricks to create your horror version of your scene or the video or the clip. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.